What I'm about to show you has driven YouTube crazy. Channels with 0 views are exploding with millions of views using this free method that big creators keep secret. While you're paying thousands of euros for 3D animation software, some people are building digital empires spending 0. And no, I'm not talking about cheap tricks. I'm Fuzed, and in the last 6 months, I've analyzed over 500 channels using this strategy. 73% of them surpassed 100K subscribers in less than 4 months. But here's the problem. More and more people are discovering this method. Look at this breathtaking 3D animation. It was created in 15 minutes. Free. Without technical skills. And I'm about to reveal exactly how. Get pen and paper now, because what you'll discover in the next few minutes could completely change your approach to content creation. I'll guide you step by step through the complete system. By the end of this video, you'll have in your hands the same tools that top creators use to dominate YouTube. And it all starts now. Step 1, script creation. Open ChatGPT and go to the GPT section. In the search bar, type the keyword animation and select Animation Script Builder from the results. Once found, press Start Chat. The next step is crucial. Copy my special prompt from the attached document file. This isn't just a simple prompt, but text specifically designed to generate viral content. Paste it into the chat and press Enter. This intelligent prompt will automatically generate a series of strategic questions that will help you define your story's style. The characters, their personality, the number of protagonists, and much more. Answer all questions precisely, specifying the number of characters in your story and all the required details. When you've completed this process, ask it to write the script for scene 1. At this point, ChatGPT will work for you, creating a structured story for your viral video. The script you get will contain valuable information, like the text to transform into voiceover and specific prompts for generating images. Step 2, image creation. Open the link you'll find in the video description and go to the Artificial Intelligence section. Select ChatGPT and choose the option for image generation. Copy the first prompt for image generation from the previously created script, paste it, and press Enter. You'll see Games Go create your first image completely for free. The result will be truly amazing. Repeat the process for all necessary images, pasting the subsequent prompts one at a time. Each image you get will be of professional quality. Once all images are generated, download them to your computer. They're truly incredible considering we're using completely free tools. Step 3, video creation. For this step, we'll use Kling AI, an artificial intelligence tool renowned for animating static images and transforming them into dynamic videos. Access Kling AI's video section and import your first image. Immediately insert the corresponding animation prompt to give precise instructions to the system on how to animate the image. Press Generate and wait for the AI magic to work. The result will leave you speechless. Your first animated clip will be truly spectacular. Repeat this process for each image. Import, insert the animation prompt, press Generate. Continue until you've created all the videos necessary for your project. At the end of this step, you'll have a collection of MP4 files generated entirely by artificial intelligence. Step 4, voiceover creation. To bring our characters to life, we'll use 11 Labs for voiceover. Access the 11 Labs website and go to the Voices section. Press Explore and then Filters to set the characteristics of the voices you want. In our case, having 3 characters, mother, daughter, and narrator, you'll need to select 3 distinct voices. You can follow my settings as an example, but feel free to experiment to find the voices most suitable for your project. Once you've chosen the 3 voices, proceed by copying and pasting the scripts corresponding to each character. 11 Labs will generate incredibly realistic and engaging voices. Listen to the results. The voiceover quality will amaze you.
The world had just finished crying.
They're not sad, sweetheart. They're just resting, maybe.
Organize all the audio files well before moving to the next step. Step 5, Final Assembly. Now it's time to unite all the created elements. Open Adobe Premiere Pro or any professional video editing software, create a new project, and import all the files generated in the previous steps, video, audio, and any other necessary elements. Create a new sequence by clicking at the bottom, give it a meaningful name, and press OK. Import all videos, following rigorously the chronological order of the narrative created in the first step. This is fundamental to maintain story coherence. You'll probably notice that the videos don't have the correct dimensions for your project. Select the first video and increase the scale to the desired dimensions. Here's a trick to optimize the work. Once you've scaled the first video, select it, right-click and choose Copy. Then select all other videos, right-click and choose Paste Attributes. This will automatically apply the same scale to all videos. Import the first audio, in my case the narrator's, and position it on the timeline. Remove any unwanted silences to maintain the video's rhythm. Repeat this process for all character audios. To enrich the atmosphere, add sound effects. Go to Pixabay and search for the keyword rain, or any ambient sound suitable for your story. Download the audio you prefer and import it into Premiere Pro. Once everything is perfectly synchronized and balanced, it's time for the final export. Press Export, choose the file destination, assign a meaningful name to your masterpiece, and press Export again. Congratulations! You've just created a video completely generated by artificial intelligence following a professional and structured process. If you want to further explore techniques for creating AI content easily and quickly, I recommend watching the complete video you see overlaid. It's my course of over an hour dedicated to YouTube and the most effective monetization strategies.